everyone, just another short Seesaw tutorial. In this video, I'm just going to show you quickly just how you can change profile photos for both yourself and for your students so that you get these cool little pictures here. Obviously for your teach one, it's a little bit different. To do that, you just need to press on your name in the top left corner and you press the settings cog and go to account settings. Here you've got the option to change your first name, your last name, and your display name. And obviously you can change your image right there as well. To change your students' photos, which are the ones that you see just here, which are normally default either as their initials or as like a little picture. You just go up into the spanner on the top right. You go down until you can see manage students. You select on the student that you want. And obviously you can change other things about them, such as their display name, student ID, connected family members, things like that. But here we just want to look at the icon, and you've got all these really cool choices, which I think sometimes are by default. And I know that your students can actually change these themselves. But if by any chance you do want to go in there, you can use real photos. Obviously up to your school. In this case, I'm just going to select one from my computer. And good old Ralphie over here. There we go. We want to set that as our icon. There we go. And it's done. Simple as that.